Romanian AB certified 25 to Embark 978, weight 2,850 euro net, trade between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy, ro ships from 37,000 to 67,000 direct in Candina. Apply urgently. You have the link of Crew Inspector just below. It's not required English, just a little Italian, and this is a stable, long-term, very big company. Candina is waiting for you to apply today, and also like, subscribe, pass throughout all the social media groups this video, so we can really improve the standard and the terms and conditions of the Romanian able seafarers, seamen. It is very important today that if you are within fishing fleet, general cargo fleet, cruise ships, or any other ships that are outside of Europe, or you want to be close to Romania, apply very urgent, because the trade will be in the Mediterranean waters, and it is Italian flagships, full cover, Italian social security, 2,850 euro net. Thank you very much. Bye.